हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि एक्सेंचर में आप अपना लैपटॉप या अपना हेडफोन कैसे मंगवा सकते हैं एक्सेंचर से। हाँ, दिस वाज वन मिथ कि एक्सेंचर अपने आप लैपटॉप भेजती है। नो, यू हैव टू रिक्वेस्ट फॉर इट, देन इट विल come to your address, whatever address you have given. And same for the headphones. So yesterday only I have received my headphones, so I will unbox that headphones and show you. Hey, this will be a short video just letting you know that how to enable that process, how to enable your laptop and your uh, other devices which you have requested from Accenture. So let's start the video. So before moving forward, just let me tell you that there is a system enablement process in Accenture. So when you will join the Accenture, you have to request for the system enablement from form from your lead or from your colleagues, and in that form you have to fill a lot of details. Let me just show you that form to you. So guys, you will get a form like this. You can get the link from your HR or from your, you just have to agree this. Next, then this is the form. It will automatically take your name here. You have to select on behalf of someone, or you are requesting for yourself. Then type of request. For example, you are new and you want to you need to raise a request for the new laptop, and this is the Accenture shared laptop, new joiners, users without asset. Then it will ask you mode of enablement. You have to just pick courier and shipping. Then it will ask you other details like SAP ID, supervisor, market, project name, career level, and all those things you have to fill accordingly. So as I have shown you the form, I cannot show you the whole form because it has a lot of details. So you have to fill those details. If you are not sure about some details, just ask to your ITP lead or someone, your buddy, Accenture buddy who is tagged to you. Someone will let you know that how to fill that form. The same form you have to fill for your headphones also. So this is one thing, that they will not send headphones with your laptop. Your laptop will be in one piece, and there will be another shipment you have to request for your headphones. The same form is requested for that. You just have to select that you have to raise it for the headset. So that's it for this request. So let me just quickly show you that some days back I have requested for my headphones. So I have received them yesterday only. It was well packed and there is no damage, and it was couriered by Blue Dart, couriered by Accenture from Blue Dart. So let me just open it in front of you. So let me just show you how the quality is and all those things. Let me just open it quickly. So these are the headphones. This is from the company Jabra. Some paperwork, nice packaging. Quality is very good, guys, and generally the headphones provided by the companies, the quality is very good. Previously I was in DXC, so the quality of their headphones was also very good. They provide two headphones like Jabra, and there was a Plantronics was also there. So here you get Jabra one, and this is good. It is a fit. It fits very easily. It is a USB 3 type USB port. Just plug it in and it is ready to go. If you haven't used some of them previously, every one of them has these 4 options. This is for, I'm not sure if you can see this. This is for mute. This is for increasing the volume, this for decreasing the volume, and this for your picking up the call and hanging up the call. These are generally used for your Teams calls. So this was it. This is the only thing which I got. One thing, this and the laptop. There are other things also. I believe you can request them. I'm not sure they will give you or not, but if you need them, you can request them. There was a dongle, Geo dongle also, and other things also. It's up to you. You have to ask your manager and you have to ask your lead that you are going to request them. If they allow you, you can probably get them too. And this was it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll share you the other things which you would like to know about Accenture and new joiners and all those things. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.